So with this schnitzel, I'm going to take a nice piece of breast meat and I'm going to cut it first in half, just like this. So for who doesn't know, this part of the chicken or that beef, that's the tenderloins. So we cut this up first before we start cutting the rest of it. Now as you see, we got 4 bowls here. We got our flour, we got our eggs, and we got our breadcrumbs. So first thing we want to do is make a egg mix. Just in our plain flour, I'm just going to put a little bit of paprika and some salt. Now what we're doing, we're taking 1 piece of the chicken, we're going to dip it in our flour just like this. Make sure it's all floured. Any excess flour you just take off. And you're going to put it in the egg just like this, both sides, and we're going to put it in our crumbs. So that's corn flour. This is cornflakes breadcrumbs, just made of cornflakes, and then that's it. Alright, now the schnitzel is ready to be cooked. I am just going to use my Ninja fryer and I'm going to put it on steer, and all I'm doing is take some olive oil, put it on here and wait till it heats up a little bit. Alright, let's put our meat in. See how many I can put at once. I think put 1, 2 in at once. Alright, now that I finished all my schnitzel, I made quite a lot here. It's very satisfying looking. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!